Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I will show you how to create a full Shopify store using AI in 2026. You don't need any coding skills or design experience. The AI tools now build the product descriptions, the images, pages, and even marketing content for you. So first of all, you need to come here on shopify.com. Once you are here on this page, simply click on the option of start for free on the top right hand corner of the screen. Now, once you do this, it is going to ask you to choose your Shopify account from the given emails. So if you already have created your account here on Shopify, all of your accounts will be visible here. But since you want to create an absolutely new account, you just have to click on the option of sign up, then click on the option of get started. Now over here, you need to start providing your email address. So here simply provide your email address here on this page, then press continue with this email. Afterwards, you just have to start giving your first name, then provide your last name. After that, you need to set a strong password for your account, just like so. Now, once you are done, click on the option of create Shopify account. Now, once you do this, it is going to redirect you here on this particular page where it will say that you are starting the free trial for the next 3 months absolutely for free. So here after pressing the skip option here in the bottom right hand corner, it will show you this type of page. So basically from this particular page onwards, the AI is going to ask you what type of products you want to sell, meaning what type of website you want to build here on Shopify. So you just have to select the one and simply press next. After that, it will ask, is this shop for a new or existing business? So you can select whichever describes you the best. Then select what do you plan to sell here. So I want to sell the products over here. So I'm going to be selecting here. Then simply give your store a name. So after giving the name to your store, simply click on the option of finish. And then Shopify is going to take some time and create a template for you. Now this is going to be your Shopify dashboard. With the help of this Shopify dashboard, you can basically start adding the products. You can also use AI in order to get used to this particular dashboard. So this way you will be able to use AI in order to create your Shopify store in 2026. If this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.